Good morning, everyone, and happy Monday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. This morning we have a bunch of exciting stock market news, not so much in the earnings to start off the week, but we will take a look at the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoy today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. We just hit 40,000 subs over the weekend, so I want to say a big thank you to all of our followers. Your support is greatly appreciated. Okay, let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. We are starting the week off with U.S. stock futures in the green. Currently, we have Dow futures up 0.1%, while S&P 500 futures are up 1.16%, and NASDAQ futures are up 0.35%. Microsoft is closing in on regulatory approval for its proposed $16 billion acquisition of Nuance Communications. It's reported that the tech giant could secure unconditional European Union antitrust approval for the takeover of the artificial intelligence and speech technology company. Last month, the European Commission asked customers and competitors to list any concerns about the deal. The outreach was extensive as the Commission seeks to ensure the deal does not clamp down on competition. They could decide on the proposed acquisition by December 21st. The Microsoft stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of 7.5%. EVGO's PlugShare platform has crossed 1 million downloads since the beginning of 2021 for the first time in the app's history. Recargo is an e-mobility software company and a subsidiary of the California-based EVGO. Their PlugShare platform helps EV drivers access public chargers. It also allows drivers to share location-specific feedback and experiences. The president and CEO of Recargo said that the recent influx of reviews on the PlugShare platform is a testament to the growing demand for EVs and the charging infrastructure new and existing EV drivers use to go electric. The EVGO stock is currently rated a hold with an average upside of 27%. General Motors now plans to invest $4 billion as they look to bolster their electric vehicle production capacity. Reuters reports that the automaker plans to invest in 2 Michigan plants. The investment drive is expected to result in the construction of a $2.5 billion battery plant, and GM is also planning to refurbish its Orion Township assembly plant north of Detroit to build electric cars. The GM stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of over 17.5%. Phillips 66 has revealed their $1.9 billion capital program for 2022. This plan includes sustaining capital worth $992 million and growth capital worth $916 million, of which about 45% supports lower carbon opportunities. Furthermore, Phillips 66 self-funded proportionate shares of capital spending is likely to total $1.1 billion. Therefore, the company's total capital program is estimated to be $3 billion for 2022. Their stock is rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 28%. Pharmaceutical company Eli Lilly has entered into a multi-year research collaboration and licensing agreement with Rigor Therapeutics to discover, develop, and commercialize novel therapies for metabolic disorders. With this collaboration, Lilly will gain the license to access specific Rigor intellectual property, and access to each other's technology is expected to be beneficial for both companies. Under the terms of the agreement, Rigor will receive an upfront payment of up to $50 million and are entitled to receive up to $1.5 billion in potential payments based on the achievement of certain milestones. The Eli Lilly stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside just shy of 15%. And information management company Iron Mountain has entered into a definitive agreement to acquire ITRenew for $925 million. The terms of the agreement state that Iron Mountain will initially acquire 80% of the shares of ITRenew for roughly $725 million cash. The remaining 20% will be acquired by paying a consideration of $200 million in cash within 3 years. The buyout will enable Iron Mountain to gain a strong foothold in the growing IT asset disposition space. Further, ITRenew's expertise in the space will allow Iron Mountain to scale its data center business. The Iron Mountain stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of over 5%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. And this is going to be a very short segment as today is quite quiet for earnings reports. As we go further into the week, we do have some big names like CleanSpark, Adobe, Accenture, and FedEx that'll be reporting. But for now, let's jump right over to which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Arena Pharmaceuticals after it was announced that they would be acquired by Pfizer. Under the ticker ARNA, their stock is currently up over 92%. They're followed by Harley-Davidson under the ticker HOG. Their stock is up over 11% after it was announced they'd be taking their electric motorcycle division, Livewire, public via a SPAC merger. And Roivant Sciences, whose stock has been on a roller coaster since their SPAC merger, under the ticker ROIV, they're up over 10.5% after dropping 13.5% at the end of last week. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Iridium Communications, following an article from NASDAQ saying that they could be struggling to allocate capital. Under the ticker IRDM, their stock is currently down over 5%. They're followed by Southwest Energy under the ticker SWN. Their stock is down 3.6% following the announcement of a public offering of over $1 billion in senior notes. And NovoCure under the ticker NVCR. Their stock is down 3.3% following the announcement of them building a new office building in Portsmouth. So that is going to be everything for Monday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic Monday, as good as a Monday can be, and I'll see you back here next time.